Before I start getting into the driveline and suspension changes, I just wanted to touch base on how I got the vehicle elevated enough where I could get under it and feel comfortable. And what I found worked pretty good, since I don't have a lift, is getting some ramps with some wheel chucks, all rubber wheel chucks, and then having some jack stands underneath. And I have this so that everything's a little tight. So all the jack stands are a little tight. There's some actual pressure on all the ramps and all the way around. So same thing, because that way I have my jack points are all covered on both sides, and then same thing with the ramps, and then also with the wheel chucks in the back. And then how I did that was actually for the back, I just put a big floor jack underneath right there under the spring, and then jacked it up that way, and then slid everything underneath. And as you do that, the actual front end comes up a little bit too, even though I had the front end first on the actual ramps. So last thing I did was, because my floor's cracked and a little uneven, you can see some cracks in here, I had to use on some of them a little bit of a rubber bushing or top for the jack stands, and then other ones I didn't. But then it all kind of leveled out. But I feel real comfortable about being able to take one tire off at a time and being able to jack up one part of the car, working on a tire, or so, and then everything else has got something to be like a tire to actually be sitting on. So I think that worked out pretty good. I'll let you know how it goes.